Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at the 12 Apostles at the Great Ocean Road. So 15-20 minute walk around trip from the parking area. And there's also the Gibson Steps, half an hour to an hour. I don't know if I've done the Gibson Steps. I've definitely done the 12 Apostles walk. And it looks like beside the parking lot, it looks like they might be building a new building there. Maybe they're building a new visitor center. And this is the bridge for the highway. Temperature it's around 21 degrees. It was a nice warm day today. Time is around 7:30 p.m. Sunset, I think, is a little after 8 o'clock, maybe around 8:15. You can kind of see the sunset in the distance. Kind of got lucky with the timing that the sunset's a little bit later. Oh, that sun is really bright. I think we might actually be here already. Oh, geez, yeah, we are. Well, that was shorter than the walk I remember. Looks like there's a bit of a mist or a fog coming in here. Okay, let's go for a walk around. Then what I'm thinking is I'll get the iPhone out, because I'll be able to zoom in on that. Actually, yeah, let's go down here.
Well, just saw that there was this one girl.
Everybody's getting their pictures taken.
नहीं आही रास्ता फिर वापस जाएंगे ना तो इधर ऑन बॉय को
Oh, and I think... Oh, no, I think that walkout was still there last time. I think it was this one down here. Or I'm wondering if if you could actually walk out to that before they built the new platform. Yeah, the pathway cuts through over there. I wonder if these. I'll have to look up the Gibson Steps. I have a feeling that might actually go down to the water.
OK，
太爱累力。对，你刚才炸是不是炸了2个？真的。
Oh, this goes down to the left. We'll have to see where that goes. Or it might just be a lookout along the side here. Yeah, I think it is. Let's take a walk over and have a look. This part, I think, is fairly new. Oh, okay, I see here. Yeah, this is where the better views are, although there is a little bit of a mist fog kind of rolling in here. It's almost like the marine layer they get out in California rolls in at night. And we got the other bridge over here. And let's take a quick look down here, and then I'll switch you guys over to the iPhone so we can kind of zoom in.